Today I will show you what the recent simple tense is and how to do exercise of recent simple tense. Firstly, we have to know the definition of the simple recent tense. As you can see in the slide, the simple recent tense, which is used to show repetition, habit, and generalization. Next, we will come to the second one is simple recent form. The first one of it is statement sentence. I made a table for you. I will divide the table into 3 columns. The first column is subject. The second column is verb, and the last column is rest of sentence. As you can see, the subject are you, we, they. We will add the verb, the infinitive verb, and the subject he, she, it. We can add the verb ending with es or s. We have not. If the subject of the sentence is she, he, singular noun, then es or s will be added to main verb in the sentence. I have four notes for you in this slide. The first one is most verbs are separated by adding s after the verb stem. The second note is es to the ending verbs. She, sh, z, o. Example: watch, watches, missed, washed. The verb ends with y has 2 ways: play, plays, try, tries, to have, has. We come to the next one is negative sentence. Subject, we have a table, we have a table, and now I divide the table into 4 columns. The first one is also subject. The second one is auxiliary verb. The third one is verb in base form, and the last one is rest of sentence. When the subject is are you, we, they, we have to use don't, or we can write in other way is do not, and add the main verb it in the form infinitive verb. And when subject is he, she, it, we can use auxiliary verb is doesn't, and we can write in other way is does not, and verb is base form. I have some example for you. The first one is I don't like the food they serve at that restaurant. The second one is Jim doesn't work on Fridays. The third one is my friends don't usually leave so early. We can see all of example when we use auxiliary verb, the main verb in the of the sentence will be in base form. The next one is yes/no questions. I also had a table for you, and in this time the table will be divided into 4 columns. And in this yes/no questions, auxiliary verb will be written in the beginning of the sentence. If the subject is are you every day, the auxiliary verb is do. If the subject is he sees, the auxiliary verb is does. And verb is based from like the actually I have some example for you. In yes/no question, I have not. 8. You may add a one-word time expression such as always, usually, or often between the subject or the verb and the verb. B. You may use a negative question with a time expression such as ever. WH questions. We can see in the table WH word in the beginning of the sentence, and the verb in this sentence also be a base form. I also have many examples for you. The last one is time expressions. The most common time expression in the recent symbol are usually, always, never, on Wednesday, every Wednesday, twice a week, once a month, in general, every other day. The first matter in this time time expression is time expression made up of one word are placed between the subject and the verb in positive sentences and questions, and between the auxiliary verb and main verb in negative sentences. Example: I always study hard for the exams. Do you usually speak to him like that? The last one of time expression is time expression made up of 2 or more words are placed either at the beginning or the end of the sentence, and usually at the end of questions. Example: you go to the supermarket every week. In general, I believe that all people can be in peace. Ben goes to the football practice every 2 days. Simple sentence can use repeated action. The action can be a habit, a hobby, a daily event, a scheduled event, or something that often happens. I have many examples for you. Facts are generalizations. The symbolism can also indicate the speaker believes that a past was true before, is true now, and will be true in the future. Example for use. Cats like milk. I think all the people in the world believe that cats always like milk. Schedule events in the near future. The train leaves tonight at 6 p.m. The last part of this lesson is the exercise. The first exercise is fill in the correct form of the verb as in the example. We can stop this video and to take 5 minutes to finish this exercise, and this is your answer. How many sentences do you choose the right answer? The second exercise is choose the right answer for simple recent tense. I have 3 pictures for you, and behind each picture will be 2 sentences, 2 different sentences, and you have to show the right answer. And this exercise will take you 5 minutes to finish. Yes, and this is the answer. Okay, at the end. That's it from me. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.